Hi, I'm B from Plan with Studio B16, and today we are doing another blackout spread. We are doing St. Patrick's Day week theme spread with a new stencil I made, and I may have gone a bit overboard. I have gotten some new pens. Lots and lots of Jelly Roll pens that work on black paper. So, today we are sticking with my Moonlight Jelly Rolls. These two green ones and maybe a grey, because I think the white is going to be too harsh compared with the green ones. Just do a little squeal. Squiggle. And a white squiggle. Yes, I think we'll at least use the green ones. And maybe the grey one. So I think we'll be using the darker gray color, just because I want to see the boxes, but I don't want the boxes to be like the thing that jumps out at you. So I am using one of my stencils. This is a prototype that is not released yet. I am not sure if I'm going to release it. I need to test something out, or test things out first. So I think I will be using these little boxes there, and we'll do those first, and then we'll go in and do some decorating and stuff. So there we have the boxes in place. As you see, I have used a dark gray one, which makes the lines very, very muted. You kind of see them, but they are not the focal point. And I think I want some lines here. So there, all the boxes are in place, and we have used a couple of different stencils. Number 46 for the double box and box there, and I actually think this is the same width as this one on the prototype. So we can, yeah, this is the same size as this one. And 133 for the lines. So that was those. Now we are going to do some decorating, and I think I'll do the days first. So there we have the days in place and some spelling issues. But other than that, I am okay with this. So we want some shamrocks on the top here. So I think we're going to stop decorating soon. I just want to add some bullet points and maybe a couple of shamrocks here in the middle. Yeah. There, I think we are almost done. It's just this last little bullet point left. There. I think we'll stop there. I didn't do bullet points in all the boxes because I think that would be like too much right now. So this is my little blackout spread in a Discbound A5 planner, and we used a jelly roll dark gray for the boxes. They are not named or anything like this, they are just from the Moonlight collection, and a light green and a darker green to get a little pizzazz. So we just pop them back in where they belong. there we have a little St. Patrick's Day week spread.